Tonight's show is entitled Sounds of Joy, and it begins with the foundation of all African American music.
Which is the joyful sounds of Africa. Now let the show begin.
Tonight's show is going to be an interesting experience. We call it the Sounds of Joy. You'll hear where jazz and R&B and gospel music came from. It came out of this sound. So as we embrace those things that came out of our culture, we want to embrace where it all came from. It came from that sound that our ancestors made. That was a sound of joy.